Gotta get that thumbnail.
What's up, guys? What's happening? I'm struggling with these intros to these videos. Like, I don't know how to do it. I've just been watching other YouTubers there, like all going, "What's up, guys? What's happening?" But yeah, so got new mods to put on the car today. Ones I've been looking forward to. Grills. Fucking not for me teeth, not gold plated grills, but we've got grills. Yeah, it's double skinners. And we've got the top bits to go on. They're black, so where the paint is flaking off, they'll be much better. So yeah, I tried painting these. It was alright for like a day, and then they just started chipping off. So, time for some new ones, I guess. Out with the old, in with the new. I need the engine detailed as well. Get a new one of these tomorrow. Don't know if I'll just make a separate video on that or just hide in this one somehow. Yeah, look at all the chips. Minging. Well, I didn't want it in. Yeah, man. Did you get in it? That's going in now. It fucking is, I'm telling you.
I'll never ever help you again if it does. Oh, he's getting the tools.
Do not. No, well, shut up then. Trust your toolkit. So, you just need to take these little, I don't know what you call them, little screws out. T20. Get it stuck in and help find the right way. Now it'll be quicker. I'll use this. A little pink gun. 3 motors really. Haha, rat-a-ta-ta. Ooh. Where'd I put the other one? Where'd I put the other one?
You got 2 there?
Yeah, it's 3.
I think you only took 2 off. I think one didn't have one.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
I don't think that middle one had one. I think you've just done to the ends.
Oh. That's, oh, look, it's even chipping. What are you doing with that camera?
I forgot.
Jesus Christ. Anyone wants to fill in an application form for a new cameraman? Our first time on a job as well. Oh, wait, Julie. Are you? No. Zeno wants a walk. Cool. Need a T30 Torx bit. Come here. See these top bits? I need to remove them. Come on, man. Ah, it all makes sense now. So you've got to take this off, and then you can reach the tabs at the back, and then you can push them out, and then they just pop out. So we'll resume in that bit now. So if you give the camera your second, because I know what about
Ah,
that.
yeah, I know.
So see the little tabs in there? Don't know if you can, like. There's one there. Just need to fold that in and push it out. And there's about 4 of them in each corner of the grill. Yeah. One of them, and we're out. Let's steal that. Like bloody minging. I'm not very good at painting, as you can tell. So there's one. Get away. We've just done the same for the other side. Yeah, just do the same one. Chuck it away. Absolutely gleaming. Great product. I don't even know who they're from. I'll put the link and everything in the description. So I just go ahead and line the tabs up for where they were before. Get them pushed in, just clip in, no problemos. It's already going to look a million times better, that I can tell already.
Can you stay in the shop, please?
What?
Can you just stay in the shop, please?
On the wrappage. Do not litter. Make sure it's put in a box like that, and then I'll litter that box later. I mean, I'll put it in the recycling bin later. Nice, you just clip in, make sure it's nice and secure. Just like that. That's the kidney grills in. I think it looks so much better than the other ones. I should have done a side by side one actually, shouldn't I? Because that looks just the same, because obviously the other grills come through. Plain Jane, not plain Jane. Same problem on this one. You've just got to like force the screws in really. So like a couple of them are just on an angle. It's a problem with buying eBay stuff. Tight that. Problem with buying eBay stuff, doesn't always fit. But that's what happens when you cheap out. So let's close the bonnet, see what it looks like. Yeah, that's much better that now. Yeah. That's so much better. Front end's becoming a little bit aggressive, loving it.
Hey guys. So guys.
Oh guys. So yeah, that's just a quick little install on the grills, to be fair. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I did have to use YouTube to show us how to take the grills out again, but as I forgot. Just saying hello to my neighbours because I'm a friendly person. But yeah, on the grills I'm going to get the M Sport colours. So forgot, to be fair. There's like a blue, light blue, and then a red. Forgotten. Oh yeah, dark blue, light blue, and red. Just look at my steering wheel. So I'm going to get them like painted on the grill like every other BMW driver does. But yeah, front end's coming together. Another video, next video will be a sun strip and then the air filter duct thing. So I'll do a quick one on that. I don't know what to do with the number plate. Do I take this little housing off and put it on the side? Leah says no, but put your opinion in the comments. I'll 100 of these are followers. More aggressive grills, I'm happy with them. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, a comment whether I should put the number plate there. all the products will be in the description below. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that one because it didn't fit very well, so try and get one off like Amazon or something. These might have been off Amazon, so eBay might be better. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one.